My name is Karen. Please excuse me. I have to open the gate for my friends. Be sure to check out the new Super Soaker Robo Blaster, available at all major retailers.
Whoa. Karen!
Hello, thank you for coming, Paul, Eric, and James, and welcome to your pool party getaway as we approach 12 million subscribers. Your accommodations include a resort-style pool featuring a hot tub, swim-up bar, cabana, water slide, and fire bowls. There's also a tennis court, mini golf, cornhole, and weight room.
Let's get those games, bro! Woo!
And I put the 12 million subscribers countdown on the big TV for your viewing pleasure. Now, go have fun. I'll take care of your luggage.
Thanks, Karen. Well, let's go check it out, shall we?
We shall.
I know I said I'd take the luggage, but it would have been nice if they offered to help. Kids these days.
I love tennis. Comment your favorite sport down below.
Ouch. What the heck, Eric? You hit me right in my ear.
Time to get ready for the Masters.
Dang it, James. You're not Tiger Woods. Stop acting like you know how to golf.
Oh, I love cornhole.
I've just about had it. You guys don't pay me enough for this. I'm going to be requesting a raise.
Sorry, Karen. Yo, this is radical. Karen, turn on the water slide.
You could at least say please. Oh well, I'm programmed to follow orders.
Whoa, super cool.
I give up. Wow, that looks like so much fun. I wish I knew how to swim.
Yo, Karen, watch this spike.
Hey, that's my favorite hat.
Two-time defending champ, baby. Yeah. 12 reps for 12 million subscribers. 1 million. 2 million. 3 million.
This is right where I need to be. Hey, Karen, bring me a burrito.
Here's a burrito I made it myself. Hope you like it.
Good work, Karen. I don't know what we'd do without you.
You would be so lost without me.
10 million. 11 million. 12 million. Woo! Bro, that's lightweight. Check this out. Hey, hey.
Yeah! 12 million subscribers! Ah!
Damn, that was sick.
Yes, sir. You know I put up that weight.
Eric and James, I got you presents for 12 million subscribers.
Oh, Karen, you shouldn't have. James, let's go.
Ooh.
Wow, a book? How did Karen know I love books?
Woo! A fat spatula.
I've always wanted one of these.
What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be making a mean, juicy burger. First and foremost, you need that thick meat patty.
Slap that bad boy on the grill.
Here I got the buns. Toast them buns, baby. Chop them veggies like you're chopping wood. Hold on to your tomatoes like you holding on to your loved ones. Nice and tight.
And remember, don't forget the fries.
Time for the old flipperoo.
Good boy.
So you take your American cheese, get it all laid out, and you're gonna take your Swiss cheese and you're gonna throw it away.
Hey, I would have eaten that.
Now it's time for burger assembly. Tomatoes, a couple of onions, and don't forget the pickles. Yep. And there's the smiley face. And the mustard is a must. Yep. Now you take your two buns and you just clap them together like that. Last but certainly not least, enjoy yourself.
Hey, Karen, come get a bite of this.
Yay, I thought you'd never ask. This is scrumptious. Eric, that was the best burger I've ever had. Now I'm going to give Paul his present. Paul, I got you a present for when we hit 12 million.
Thanks, Karen, but I'm good with just my burrito. Give it to the boys. They've been working hard.
Who should I give it to? Eric or James?
You know what? Make them fight for it.
Okay, that's a great idea. This is so heavy. Comment below what you think is inside. Eric and James, come over here. I have a surprise.
Oh, cool. I didn't even understand this book anyways.
Surprises? I love surprises. Yeah.
Karen, reporting for duty.
I propose a Nerf Super Soaker battle. You each have 3 lives. Soak the other player to win, and the winner gets Paul's present.
Karen, we accept your challenge. Granny! Woo! Let the games begin! Granny!
What? This ain't gonna work. Granny, another outfit. Whoa! Whoa! The Storm Force Ride-On Racer. Cool! Whoa! Sick! Yeah, the slinging slope! Woo!
Granny, I need camouflage now! Yeah, let's go! That's what I call camouflage.
Where did he go?
Granny!
Ooh. I know a good way to weed him out. Marco! Polo! Shoo!
Don't mess with Polo!
Karen, I need you to order me a Robo Blaster, please.
You got it, Eric, and thank you for saying please. Ordering now. Eric, Robo Blaster is coming in hot.
Whoa! That was fast, Granny. Whoa! Karen, send me a drink.
1 drink coming right up.
Karen, get me a Hydro Battle Cruiser!
Battle Cruiser inbound.
Eric's going down. Come get your drink, James. Ooh. Come to Papa. Yeah!
I need a fork now.
Here's the head-to-head battle arena. It's under my party hat.
Thanks, Karen. Get out of here, Karen. This is gonna get wet.
I cannot see a single thing.
Where'd that fork come from? Granny? What's she doing here? Oh! Here comes Karen. That watermelon looks tasty.
My plan is working. Here we go.
Granny, now! Yeah, get him! Yeah!
Get me out of here. I'm afraid of the dark.
Woo! Yeah! Oh no! Woo! Granny umbrella!
Man! Woo! Package is mine!
Hope you enjoy this extremely expensive gift.
Thanks, Karen.
Ow, that's going to leave a mark.
Ooh, yummy, a burrito!
Eric, come over here. James forgot the main present, so you can have it.
Ooh, I wonder what it is.
You're going to be set for life.
Yo, we're about to hit 12 million.
What's wrong? Here!
Bitcoin! Comment down below what I should buy with it.
Alright, listen up, run it. Blue 42, set. Cheese dog, cornbread minus the bread, double the corn. Mustard, mayo, no mayo, A1 sauce, set. Huh.
Oh my gosh, my drink.
Dude, way over, bro.
Yeah, you knocked over my drink. Huge party foul.
My bad, Karen. Won't happen again. Hey, James, let's run it back. Go long. Watermelon, no seeds. Peanut butter and jelly, minus the peanut butter, minus the jelly, set. Huh.
I've had enough. No more football.
Sorry, Karen.
Oh my gosh, we're about to hit 11 million subscribers. I can't believe it. We did it. Eric and James, we just hit 11 million subscribers.
Woo! 11 million subscribers, let's go! Comment down below if you are one of those subscribers. This is for you.
Yo, James, bring up the hoop. Let's go.
Yo, Eric, hit the three. Hey, here we go, cash money, baby.
Oh, get in. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Cash money, baby.
Hey, Karen, go call Paul. Tell him the good news.
Right away, Master Eric.
Who's calling me this early? Better be important. Hello?
It's Karen. We just hit 11 million subscribers.
No way, Karen. Are you serious?
Yes, now get dressed and meet me at my location.
Woo! Thanks, Karen. Yummy.
James and Eric get dressed. I got a surprise for you.
Ooh, a surprise. I hope it's a burrito. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Wow, dang. Bro, this house is sick.
Dude, I know. I wish we lived here.
Come up here and check it out.
Let's go.
Karen, whose house is this?
It's yours. I bought it for you guys.
Yo, new house. Let's go. Wow. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Whoa. Whoa, this is awesome.
Bro, look at that kitchen. That's what I'm talking about.
Wow! Genuine engineered solid core French white oak floors. Thanks, Karen.
Yo, Karen, what's the Wi-Fi password?
Burritos.
Burritos? I could really go for one of those.
Ooh.
Well, James, there's only one burrito and I found it first, so.
Bro, I'm hungry too.
Don't touch the burrito. I have an idea.
Go ahead, Karen.
I propose a Nerf Super Soaker battle, Eric versus James. You each have 3 lives, and you need to soak the other person to win. The winner gets to eat the yummy, delicious, juicy burrito.
Karen, we humbly accept your challenge. Now please go to Walmart and get us some Super Soakers.
Yes, Master Eric, I'll leave now. James, here's a sling and soak from Walmart.
Yeah, thanks, Karen.
No problem.
Time for me to win that burrito.
Karen, get me out of this.
Eric, here's a new outfit.
Oh, I thank you, Karen. Very kind of you. Now that's more like it.
And here's a Stormball wrist rocket from Target.
All right, now comment down below who you think's gonna win.
Ooh,
Let's ride.
Eric is going down. Watch this. Yo, this thing is sick! Whoa! Dang! Yeah! Woo!
I lost a life. Granny, throw me an umbrella. Ooh.
Bro, you think that umbrella's gonna save you? Take this!
Chill! Oh! Ah!
No!
Yeah! Woo! I'm hungry. Karen, get me a snack, please.
Right away, snack inbound. Ouch.
Ooh.
Karen, order me a Robo Blaster from Amazon.
Yes, sir. Ordering now. James, package inbound.
Thanks, Karen. Game over.
Yeah, big dubs. If you guys like watermelon, smash that like button.
Hey, watch where you throw your melons.
What's going on there? What in tarnation is that?
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh, no, Dang! Woo! Yeah! Karen, bring me a fork.
Coming in hot with your fort.
Thanks, Karen.
My pleasure.
Now that's a big bad juicer right there. Shield!
That's nothing compared to mine.
Let's go! No! Whoa, this place is sick.
Ooh, a burrito. I wonder whose it is. Well, it is lunchtime and I'm kind of hungry, so I guess I'll be taking it for myself. Woohoo! Yes. Woo! Now, I'm gonna enjoy this delicious burrito. Comment your favorite food down below. Woo!
Karen, bring me a fork.
Hey James, here's a soaker island for you. Good luck, you're going to need it.
Victory's in sight. Granny!
Me?
What the heck, enough with the food.
My bad, Karen. Now watch this. Hey! Yes! Woo! The burrito's mine.
Where's my burrito?
Ah, that was one good burrito.
Paul. Hey!
What?
Did you eat my burrito?
Yeah, it was delicious. Bro, don't worry. I got two more.
Yeah!
One for you,
Oh!
and one for James.
Thank you, sir. Yo, James, your burrito.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you guys so much for 12 million subscribers. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you, Wowie, for making all of this possible.